This video introduces you to the Assemble Model Viewer and how to interact with its visual information. Similar to the inventory, you can choose to arrange the viewer in multiple ways. Horizontally next to the inventory, vertically, or you can pop out the viewer into its own tab in your browser. Simply click and drag your browser to another screen. In addition, you can close the model tree and choose to expand the viewer across the whole application. To navigate around the viewer, use your left mouse button to click and drag around the model. Hold down the mouse scroll wheel to pan, side to side or up and down. To walk, hold your Control key on your keyboard and left click and drag your mouse in the direction that you'd like to walk. You can also use your scroll wheel to zoom in and out. There are also many keyboard shortcuts. Up in the upper right-hand corner are a series of icons that allow you to change your view settings for the model viewer. Click on the keyboard and mouse controls to understand which keyboard shortcuts you can utilize with the model viewer. Let's go through the icons in the upper corner of the viewer to show you how to change the view settings. The first allows you to toggle between the different views of the model. Using your keyboard shortcuts, you can automatically toggle to various preset views. The eyeball allows you to turn on X-ray mode, allowing you to see through the solid elements in the model. The ghost turns off those objects that are ghosted out that are not currently visible in the view. Clicking on the ghost will turn off those objects that are currently hidden. The Toggle Color Overrides button will turn off any color overrides that you've applied to the model. Currently, we don't have any color overrides applied. Zoom Extents will zoom to the extents of the model. Zoom Extents will also allow you to choose an object from the inventory and navigate directly to it. Plus and minus are zoom keys for zooming in and zooming out. And the square allows you to change background colors. You can enable background gradient by choosing to select the box next to it. Objects can be selected from the viewer. Selecting an object in the viewer will display that object in the inventory above. Hold down the Control key to multiple select objects in the viewer. You can also use your right-click context menu for other selection options. Once the objects are selected, you can also change their visibility using the selection bar. Hovering over an object will display high-level properties about that object. Review the next video to find out more about the Properties panel and its interaction with the inventory, model tree, and model viewer.